We noticed that some time ago manufacturers of laundry detergents stopped putting scoops into the boxes. It could be uniquely Australian thing, I do not know. Frankly speaking, the ones that they used to put in the boxes were kinda crap anyway. This is what we are trying to solve in today's video. I decided to make my own version of a detergent scoop, beautiful, functional and would last a long time. While I was at it, I decided to make another laundry-related life improver. A watering can with uniquely shaped spout, which turned out to be a huge success, as you will see later. The design is finished, I'm slicing the models for printing, making sure that they turn out strong and waterproof. And in no time the laundry set is printed. Organic supports are very easy to remove. The little round tab on the end is a trick I've learned from Slant 3D. It prevents a thin part of a long model from lifting from the printing bed. Worked really well and easy to remove. The organic supports are hollow on the inside, therefore the waste is minimal. The whole cleanup took only a few seconds. All of my designs are very human, very easy to use. Let my good friend demonstrate. Thanks to the shape of the cup, the detergent just slides out easily into the washing machine. Now let us test the elephant-looking watering can. It is surprisingly spacious, carries 400 milliliters of water. The flow is beautiful, perfectly laminar, like from one of those expensive handmade Chinese teapots. But what is it good for? Obviously, you can water your favorite plant, and not so favorite one where you have to get right to the roots to avoid the splashing. It is also perfect for topping up water in a vase of flowers. This thing is also perfect for refilling water in the steam chamber of an iron. Just put the spout in a hole and not a single drop spilled. The cup and the watering can are easy to store, just hang them on a hook. or put one inside the other to reduce the footprint. And there you have it, the two small helpers making our lives a little easier. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and check out my other projects and click subscribe for a weekly dose of creativity.